Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of a and b from this given nice math algebra problem. A plus b is equal to 4, ab is equal to 4. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation. A plus b is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Then ab is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, a plus b is equal to 4. B is equal to 4 minus a. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, ab is equal to 4. We can now substitute for b, which is 4 minus a. We have a bracket 4 minus a is equal to 4. Let us open this bracket. A multiplied by 4, 4a minus a multiplied by a square is equal to 4. This can be written as minus a square plus 4a is equal to 4. Now let us bring this 4 to this side. We have minus a square plus 4a minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Negative a square divided by negative 1, this is a square, plus 4a divided by negative 1, this is minus 4a. Then negative 4 divided by negative 1, this is plus 4, is equal to 0, because if you divide 0 by negative 1, it will give you 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then a is equal to the coefficient of a square, which is 1. B is equal to the coefficient of a, which is minus 4. And c is the constant, which is 4. A is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1, which is a, multiplied by c is 4. And over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square. That is 16. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. That is minus 16 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This is the same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 16. This is 0 over 2. A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 0. That is 0 over 2. Then A is equal to 4 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2. This is the value of A. We've gotten the value of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 4 minus A. Then B is equal to 4 minus A is 2. b is equal to 2. This is the value of b. You can see that from this equation, a is equal to b, which is equal to 2. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus b is equal to 4. Then ab is equal to 4. Now let us consider this. A plus b is equal to 4. This is same thing as 2 plus 2. This must be equal to 4. And of course, 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Now let us consider this. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2, you have ab is equal to 4. This is same thing as 2 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 4. Then 2 times 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.